My dear students, today I am going to teach you the second language English for 9th standard. The lesson, whatever we do. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು whatever we do ಎನ್ನುವ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So before that, we have to know about the author who wrote this lesson, Clifford Nortis. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಥರ್ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Clifford Nortis is a Christian by birth, a socialist by choice, and a lawyer by profession. He studied in John Bosco High School, Lonavala, Pune in 1969. He lives in Mumbai. His hometown is Mahim in Maharashtra. He works with every child our child organization to bring happiness on every child's face. He is an RTI activist. Okay? So Clifford Nortis is a Christian by birth. ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜವಾದಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಯರ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್, ವೃತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಜಾನ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೋ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಲೋಲೋವಾಲಾ, ಪುಣೆ ಇನ್ 1959. ಇವರು ಪುಣೆದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೋಲೋವಾಲಾದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡಾನ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೋ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 1969. ಈ ಲಿವ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮುಂಬೈ, ಅವರು ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ ಟೌನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಹಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಅವರ ಸ್ವಂತ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಮಹಿಮ್, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹಿಮ್ ಪಟ್ಟಣದವರು. ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವಿನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ತರುವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ RTI ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಸ್ಟ್. ಇವರು RTI ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು come to the lesson. So before going to the lesson, we have to understand the difficult words or new words or content words, so which we can find when we come across the lesson. So destination. Destination means a place to which someone is going. Yes, in this context, reaching our goal is not a destination, but we have to achieve more. Okay? So, you can use it in your own sentence. The word destination. Yes, reaching our goal is not a destination, but we have to achieve more. Reaching our destination, reaching our goal, goal is not a destination. What? We have to achieve more. Achieve more. So here, another word is here, complacent. Complacent. Santrupta. Some people are complacent. Yes. So can you use it in your own sentence? Yes. Complacent. Santrupta. So some people are complacent with what they have. With what they have. Some people are complacent with what they have. Gratitude. Gratitude. Means the feeling of being grateful. We should have gratitude to the people who have helped us. We should have gratitude to the people who have helped us. Okay? Innovation. Innovation means introduction of new things or ideas. Yes, we have to be innovative. Innovation is necessary for the betterment of our society. Innovation is necessary to develop our country. Innovation is necessary for the development of our country. Innovation. Innovation is necessary for the betterment of our society. Okay. Now, so come to the lesson. So, here is, before going to the lesson, here is some dialogues. So listen to the dialogues. I am going to read them. A. Why are you so dull like a lamb? B. What is that to you? A. Do you lose everything by saying it? B. Well, I have lost my money. Can you get it? A. Hypo, you are always irresponsible. B. Keep your mouth shut. Will you? Next, the dialogue comes under B. A. You are a bit down. May I know why? B. Chetan, my purse is stolen. A. Really sorry. If you don't mind, I will lend you money. B. Thanks a lot, but I don't need it now. A. Alright. Don't let it bother you too much. B. You are right anyway. I feel better with your encouraging words. With your encouraging words. So which dialogue do you think is more politely worded? So discuss with your partner. Which dialogue do you think is more politely worded? Yes, the dialogues under B is more politely worded. Good. The dialogues under B is more politely worded. Now, come to the lesson. So, open your textbook and listen to me carefully. Whatever we do, Clifford Wattis. Whatever we do, let us try to do it better. Our actions, our words, whatever it is, let us try to do it better. Success, they say, is a journey and not a destination. We can say progress also is a journey and not a destination. Therefore, we need not feel complacent that we are doing fine. We must constantly be on the lookout for better performance. We must constantly be on the lookout for better performance. If I want to thank someone, I can say thanks. But suppose I say thanks a lot, wouldn't it be better? Depending upon the time and the situation, we can try and improve this even further and say, I am very grateful to you, or you have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and so on. This is a simple case of expressing gratitude, but when we think a little more, we can learn to do or say things in a better way by giving some thought to our action or speech. I had an appointment with a person who was senior to me in our restaurant company. I was a bit late and trying to make comments. I said, I am sorry, I made you wait. Oh, it's okay, he said. And added, it's a pleasure waiting for you. It's a pleasure waiting for you. I felt flattered. One might argue that the other person might have said it without any thinking. Even then, I would say that I like to hear such statements unless, of course, they were said sarcastically. When we speak about saying or doing things better, a question arises about comparison. Because better usually follows than. Wise people say that we should compare ourselves with our own selves. I should compare my performance of last year and see whether I am doing better or not now. One of the ways in which we can do better is by adding words to our actions and also adding actions to our words. Let me tell you about an incident. I was waiting for the lift. The lift came down and I found that two fellows, shouldn't I say persons or even better gentlemen, started removing packets which were fully occupying the lift. I noticed that they did the job fairly fast, giving me an impression that they did not want to delay me. In a little while, they finished the job and I got into the lift and went to my training center. In the class, I mentioned this incident and asked the trainees to explain how this particular situation would have been rendered better. A couple of trainees did mention that the two gentlemen who were removing the packets could have said just something like, "1 minute, sir. We will finish in no time." Nice answer. Don't you agree? It would have made such a difference. But another trainee said, "You could have thought of lending a helping hand to them." Yes. Have you understood the lesson? Okay. Now I am going to ask you to read the lesson silently and understand the lesson. After that I am going to ask you some questions. Okay. So read the lesson silently. Okay, have you finished your reading? Shall I ask you questions? What? Ready? The author says, "Let us make them better and better." What does the word "them" stand for here? The author says, "Let us make them better and better." What does the word "them" stand for here? Try to answer. Yes, here "them" stands for our actions and words. Here the word "them" stands for our action and words. Yes. Here them stands for our actions and words. Here them stands for our actions and words. So next question. Imagine that a parent of your friend says, listen to me. Imagine that a parent of your friend says, work only for the result. How would you respond to this statement? Imagine that a parent of your friend says, work only for the result. How would you respond to this statement? The statement is not correct. The statement is not correct. Whatever may be the result, the result is for his performance in the test or examination. But his future is other than this. What his future is other than this. So the result is a journey, but not a destination. Everyone should struggle for better performance. Everyone should work hard for better performance. So the result is a journey, but not a destination. Everyone should work. Everyone should work hard for the betterment, for the better performance. Okay? Yes. The statement is not correct. Not correct. So whatever may be the result, the result is for his performance in test or examination. The result is for his performance in the test or examination. But his future is other than this. But his future is other than this. Other than this. Other than this. The result is a journey, but not a destination. Everyone should work hard for the better performance. Everyone should work hard to achieve more and more. Next question. What are the ways in which we usually thank a person for having helped? what are the ways in which we usually thank a person for having help? Yes. So what we do when we got help from others? What we are going to say? Yes, usually we thank a person, saying simply thanks. We say thanks. Or thanks a lot. I am very grateful to you. You have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, etc. So we are going to express our gratitude in these ways. Thanks a lot. I am very grateful to you. You have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Bottom of my heart. Okay. Next question. So how do you react if others make you wait? How do you react if others make you wait? Yes. So when others make me wait, I just say, oh, it's okay. What do you say? I just say, oh, it's okay. It's a pleasure waiting for you. It's a pleasure waiting for you. We are going to say, oh, it's okay. It is a pleasure waiting for you. So in this way, we are going to say. So what does the author lay emphasis on adding words to our actions and also on adding actions to our words? Yes. If others make me to wait, first I would understand the reason behind it. Why do they come late? According to that, I should act. If it is genuine, if it has good reasons, then I will forgive them. Then I will forgive them. Otherwise, I wanted them not to be hereafter like this. I would like to tell them not to be late hereafter. What sort of word and what kind of action would make any situation better? What sort of word, what kind of action and make any situation better? Is the polite words and helping action. On helping actions. Actions. Okay? We have answered well. I hope we have understood the lesson well. Now I am going to give you some questions for your own assignment. So, take down some questions. Yes. The author says, let us make them better and better. The author says, Let us make them better and better. What does the word them stand for? Next question. Imagine that a parent of your friend says, work only for the result. How would you respond to this statement? Next question. What are the ways in which we usually thank a person for having help? Next question. How do you react if others make you wait? So you will have to answer all these questions tomorrow and submit in the next class. Okay, thank you.